So I just realized I didn't get to put these hybrid racing detent springs inside the tranny, so I'm gonna do that real quick now that we're in here. Alright guys, so here is the hybrid racing springs. They look real nice. They're pretty stiff compared to the old ones. And yeah, so I'm going to swap these bad boys in and get this all cleaned up.
I'll put the first one in. This is the one that, oh no, actually this one goes in this one because the washer's still on there. Oh my god, it's gonna be harder than I thought, boys.
So boom, I got them bad boys threaded in. All done. That's how you do hybrid racing detent springs.